Diksha Rajan, joined by my friends Badina and Mashika from Badri Navajivan Senior Secondary School, India. Our team name is Future Evolution. Our project, Smart Transportation, delves into the evolution of transportation system under the theme Automated Surroundings.
Our story revolves around 6 characters representing different backgrounds, village, city and modern city. Through their conversation, we trace the development of transportation from the ancient times to the present. We explore the transition from simple cart vehicles to the conventional cars, culminating the futuristic concept of flying cars. Join us as we journey through time and witness the remarkable progress in smart transportation.
Our project not only highlights the technological advancements in transportation but also delves into the socio-economic impacts and cultural shifts associated with each era. Through our project, we educate and inspire audience about the importance of transportation evolution. Through our project, implications, developments in smart cities and urban planning. Let us see the working model of our project.
This village is called Madurai. They are the people of this place. Let us see what they are gonna do.
Hello Narayan.
Oh hello.
What happened to your leg?
I was going to Vadi Paddy in a bullock cart, and I met with an accident because of the uneven road. If roads are proper and, if we have proper transport systems we can travel safe.
Yes, you are right. If roads are steady and even, no more accident will occur. Okay, see you later.
Okay, see you soon.
This place is known as Margarin. Oh, a lot of people are there. Let us see what is happening there.
Hi Sean.
Hey, Karen.
What is going on here?
Oh, we are watching a new invention called the car.
What is a car?
A car is a mode of transport used by people to travel from one place to another.
Oh, now I understand.
Okay, see that.
Okay, bye.
Bye. This modern city is called Al Karama. This is a robotic city in Dubai. It has latest technology robots. Hi Katrina. Hi Rashika. Where are you going? I am going to buy a flying car, because now this is the new technology and everyone are buying it. Then what did they use at first? Years ago, they used bullock carts, then cars, and now we are using flying and eco-friendly cars. Oh, okay, then. Let me go and buy a flying car. Are you joining me? Of course, come on. Let's go, yay. Hey Katrina, see that glass box? What is this? This is a bullock cart. It was used in the olden days as I said earlier. Hey, see that box? Wow. That is a car used in the early days. It's so vintage. This is the first model of car. Really? Oh no. See the clock Katrina? It's 5 o'clock. I have an important work right now. I will buy the car tomorrow. Come, let's go. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
This place is called Madurai. Here, two people are talking about the transportation system used in the earlier times. In ancient times, they used bullock carts to travel to places. In this conversation, we see that one of the person met with an accident due to uneven roads and improper transportation system. So, in this conversation, we see about the faults in the transportation system.
The second part is about the present day when we found a new invention called a car. The two peoples were discussing about the new invention called a car.
The last part is the future evolution of transportation systems. The two girls are talking about the future evolution of transportation systems, that is the flying cars. There is 10 backdrops and 6 sprites. When the flag is clicked, we will move on to the content page, and then the backdrop will switch to the cover page, and then we will move on to the story. Then the backdrop will switch to village. We have used text-to-speech extension to make the sprites speak. We have also included broadcast and receive blocks. When the broadcast block is clicked, the message will be sent to the next sprite. When the receive block is clicked, the sprite will start to speak again.
Backdrops pictures to city. When the backdrop switches to city, there were many people standing around a new invention called a car. The other two sprites were discussing about what is a car and what it will do.
The backdrop switches to modern city. The two girls were talking about the future evolution of transportation systems, and the backdrop switches to car company. The switch backdrop block is used to switches the backdrop.
Thank you.